Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, I hope you are doing very well. Here is another exciting review about Pika Moons. So, I have to say, gratefully thanks to the all of team, CEO, and our community members that they give me this opportunity to represent the biggest gaming platform on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So guys, let's go. And here I have to say that if you're new on my channel, Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing upcoming videos notification, guys. And here I have to also say that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. So guys, let's go. And today we have to diving into the Picas Moon, and this is not your average crypto game. This is about a Picas Moon, a project that has been building non-stop for the past 2 years and is still on the working. So, guys, let's go and dive into the Pika Moons. So, here I want to show you our very beautiful thrilling trailer of Picas Moon. Here you can also see that, and here now I want to show you our trailer, which you can see, and this is about we have to dive into Picas Moon. That is the most ambitious Web3 gaming project that I have been ever seen, and this is the Pika Moon's play to and game. That's the word of Shiva, and you have to see and you have to check out this. Here is about you can see about the trailers of the rollouts of collecting, training, all of the elemental creatures. So you have to think about Pokemon's Meet Web3 with open world exploration there. You can also watch this complete trailer that is available in my video description also, guys. And let's go and hear the part of this crazy part. And this is the first big release that is not some itching tiny demo. It's about all of the Picas dropping, and here you can also check out each and everything about here. So now guys, we are going and we are talking about our here. I wanna show you to check out our all of the hours so guys, now I wanna talk here. You have to meet with our Pika Moons team, our community members. Here you can here you can see out. Now guys, you can also check out about our dev team that is active on the Telegram community. Here you can see that about our team is active, our dev is active in our all of the socials like Twitter, Telegram, Discord community. You can join and you can see. And Picas Moon has full-time staff that is over 35 dogs developers, and you can literally go check their faces and profiles on their site right now, and that is available on our Picas Moon sites. And we are building a unity that have same high end tools a studios use. Honestly, the quality already blows about 99.9 percentage in the crypto games out there. So this is the most gamify guys project. And here you can we are not you can check out our bunch of trailers, no actual games about. We are talking about Picas Moon, and you have to also check out our. We have got infrastructure dev team that is working from 2 years, constantly working behind this project. And guys, our headquarters, our development team of Pika Moon is in Islamabad, Pakistan. And why this is important? Because it is the first gamify studio in the country there that's hiring best talent in the Pakistan, playing, and they are paying top salaries to all of their staff members, community. So you have to just go and check out here. And we are working in Islamabad in Pakistan, and we have taking get interesting. This Pakistan has massive gaming population and huge streaming culture. That's the game's drop, and you can't be going it to explore locally, driving millions of downloads from it. And now, guys, I wanna show you one YouTube. Here you have to check out all of our these tweets. You can go, and here you can also buy out hairs. And guys, here you can see all of the our speeds, our scales. And Solana process thousands of transactions per second with near zero fees, no fees. here you can see, and you this is the we are still working, and you can check out the all of trailers upcoming, that is in 2026 low fees vary, and we are building for gaming. And this, Solana is already known as the leading change of gaming project because it can handle very high activity web3 gaming demand. So because becomes a part of gaming, growing gamify have boosting visibility and credibility. So this is about Picas Moon. And guys, I also want to show you that we have to launch on 12 October 2025. We are on Solana blockchain now, and 2 days, 9 hours, 46 minutes are left now. Then we go on, and this is the it's a thriving ecosystem. Being a part of its places Pika Moon alongside other major projects. This is driving adaptations and long-term growth, guys. So how you have to buy? You have to simply go on picas.io buy, and you can also grab it from MEXC Metrula, that is Picas also. Here you can also check out, and we are launched on 12 October. So fast and go here. And guys, now we talks here. You can. I also want to show you our here announcement about our trailers, that is we have take, and you also check this about. Guys, now if we talk about our community, then here as I tell you, you can check out. We are our team, our dev is working on all of our socials, like our Telegram, our Twitter, and like our and we if we talk about our community, so this is the Pika Moon, that is almost 40,000 active members is in our Telegram community. Here you can check out, you can see here, and you can also check out daily contents that are taking place on our X account. Here you can see that we are instantly working here, and now you can see here about all of our posts on our Telegram, our Twitter, our Discord. And we are taking foundations, that's a powerful community tokens that's undrafted. It's and here you can go. So right guys, our game is coming, and now our token is live. You can see here our token is now live, and now you have to just go, and you have to grab this. And this is not my financial advice. I am saying that Picamon is easily one of the most exciting gamify plays on the market right now. I have placed all of the links in my video description. You can simply click and you can join. And guys, please like and subscribe our channel, Picas Moon YouTube, and also follow our Twitter's officials account. Stay connected with us. See you next further update and news. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.